Okay, guys, so now, we're done with the Board Game Island and Globetrot for now. We're going on to the third main, game in Wii Party, Swap Meet. And this one is a lot different from both, Board Game Island and Globetrot. Like, in both those games, it's pretty much, like, moving around and all in spaces, but this time, it's completely different. So, the goal here is to swap out your main characters to get three of a kind dressed in matching colors. So three on one row, two on one row, for example. So this game is actually called Me of a Kind in Britain, as well as or just all of Europe as well as Australia. Not sure why they didn't change, but I don't know. So once again, the rules apply for who we pick for the CPUs. And we have already played Sarah, I'm sorry. Oh! This is actually a pretty good group. We got Miguel, Saburo, and Tommy. Tommy is the basketball champion, by the way, so this is great. I wish Tommy was not a beginner me, though. So, like I said, we're doing 3 sets. Once we finish all the 3 sets, we'll be doing the 5 sets. So we got Miguel, the pilot in the skydiving game, and then Saburo is one of the coolest memes out there. Like we got a pretty great crew of guys. Yeah, I know how to play this game. So I'm not going to I'm going to skip the instructions. So here we go. They're all gone. And now we have our picks. Alright, set number 1. Okay, so once again, it's play for position. So mini games, basically. And we start off with a luck mini game. I'll be a bit honest, but the revamped version of this game, Wii Party U, I thought was much better than this one. I'm gonna be a bit honest. Okay, so looks like they're all risking that side. Alright, so it's gonna be me, Tommy, and Miguel on that side. Alright, good choice. Alright, we're going down the red one. But this is going to be an interesting gamble. Nope, didn't work in our favor. Saburo's dead and me and Miguel get zapped. Not sure which one I should go with. I'll go with the blue. So, let's see how this goes. Here we go. And we die. And Tommy wins without getting zapped by lightning. So, me and Miguel have to go off to a roll-off. And Miguel wins the roll-off. So now, the mini-games determine the order of play. Right, we have the Wild Me. They're going to swap out one of those. He has a set already. Alright, Miguel now. He's going to do that. I have to do a mystery one. Hopefully I get a yellow. No, I get a silver. I'll send Jackie out. There goes Susanna, right? Saburo, he only has the choice of picking Chris. Oh, Saburo has a really good chance of getting it. Alright, next round. Baseball. One of the best mini games. Here we go. Remember I dominated this minigame, and I believe it was Globetrot Master. Saburo got the UFO. I'm starting to do bad. Get the rocket! Wait. I'm doing terrible.
5, 4, 3, 2,
8 points. I guess I didn't do terrible because I beat them all. Alright, there we go. And now Miguel has to do another roll-off, this time with Tommy. And Tommy wins the roll-off this time. Alright, so, Tommy, I should probably be a bit worried about. Okay, so, I'm gonna choose the mystery. Oh, this is gonna work out for us. Right, sorry, Jesse. You're gonna go. And we have 1 to go. We just need to get a silver. Oh, but now, Saburo also has a chance to get a 3 times 2. Alright, now Tommy clears them all out. I don't know if that was such a smart idea. Right now, Miguel. Oh, he's gonna pass on him. Round 3. So there's, wait, what does the, reverse one do? Rope sling. Ay, this minigame. What does the, reverse one mean?
Start!
I can't remember what the reverse one means. I'm pretty sure we're gonna win this minigame, because CPUs usually do bad in this one. Oh no, I did terrible! Oh no, I'm now gonna lose this minigame. Unless for some reason they somehow mess up. I jumped the gun. I'll just say I jumped the gun. Oh, that was terrible. But yeah, Tommy's gonna probably beat us all. Oh yeah, I did terrible that minigame. I should have won. Yeah, Alright, so, being a bit worried about Miguel now. Trade me. Hey!
1 to go.
Oh, Tommy's getting close to a 1 to go as well now. And now Saburo. I'll trade. And now me, who just got screwed. Wild me. Make him a yellow. Alright, so there we go. Now we're back to a 1 to go. Alright, round 4 now. Alright, Chopper Hoppers. Really, this minigame? I hate this minigame. Alright, well, here we go. Come on! Someone go into my helicopter so that I can take you to my lair. Thank you. There we go, we're getting more people. Got another one. And we win them, and we win. Oh, they all got a tie for second. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, there we go. That's your results. Alright, so everyone has a chance for 3 times 2. No! I'll pass. Alright, so Burrow. Oh no, he got a 3 times 2. Got a 3. Alright, Tommy gets a 3. What does, Oh, Miguel got nothing! Yeah, Miguel got nothing out of that. Oh, new set now. Great, set 2 now. Round 1. Right, I can trade someone. Right, Saucer Snap. This time I have to focus. Remember the last game when I wasn't focusing, I lost this minigame because I wasn't paying attention. Now, here's the time to pay attention. Here we go.
Start.
And wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. There we go.
Finish.
I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Oh, what? Bro, no. Okay, I don't understand. And hey, don't trade my Miis. We'll take the red and swap Nick out. Alright, Tommy. Oh, that's weird. Made a pretty oddball choice there. Alright, Saburo. Alright, that was a quick round. Oh, I could get a set going if I get one. Back attack. This is easy.
Start.
Oh no, Tommy! This is going really slow. Oh yeah, this is never gonna end. Oh, someone died, Tommy died. This is so slow! Alright, finally, we're picking up speed. I'm losing... Nothing is happening. This game sucks. Alright, there we go. Now we're... 5, 4... No! Yes! 1 second left! And I got him! With 1 second left. Alright, here we go. Let's take, Sarah. Take, Ashley out. Now we have one of the sets. Clears them all out by using Nelly. Right now, Saburo passes on Pablo, and now Tommy is gonna probably use Chris. What? Oh wait.
1 to go.
Oh wait a second. I just realized what that did. He now has a 1 to go. Oh, I see the trade. Face flip. Not this one. This is one of the luckiest mini games out of all of them. And of course, I'm gonna go last. Because that's fair, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, now Saburo. Now he gets his card right. So, oh, is he gonna get all? Is he gonna get 1 and done? What? Are you kidding me? He got a 1 and done. Haha. Got 1 of mine. No, Tommy! Ay, ay, ay. Maybe Gil now. Ah, he gave me an answer. Right, Tommy. Haha. Wait! I thought it was that one! Oh, I'm stupid. Oh no. Ah! So I now know which ones I have to get. Tommy is about to... Yep. There you go. And there you go. Ay, ay, ay. Saburo now. There. He trades out when... Oh no, he's not going to. But now he has a chance for a 3 times 2. Right, Tommy, who's... Yep, Tommy got it. God damn it. Alright. So Burrow, only 3 points. How many do I get? Oh, I didn't even get anything for that. I didn't even get a single point. Well, final set. Here we go. Alright, Pearl Plunder. This is gonna be, this one usually is easy. Get those pearls. No, Tommy! Now watch out for the jellyfish. Go get it. No, Saburo! Right, go back the other way. Other way. And we get 10 of them. So that's good. And I'm literally facing downwards like I'm drowning. Well, I don't know about that. Okay, so now, I'm thinking, what am I gonna do? Don't want to risk that. I'll risk a, I gotta choose between either one. I'll do, Fritz. We can then take Mike out. Alright, Tommy. Right, so Burrow. Oh, he's got a set going. And now Miguel. And he has a set going. This is not looking good. Round 2. We got the clear category. Cosmic Capers. Here we go. Off to a big lead already at the start. Wow, we made lap. No, we're not gonna lap them. Oh wow, we absolutely dominated that. Alright, coming down to the last 3 guys here, and Miguel and Saburo cross the line, but Tommy comes in last. Alright, what am I gonna do? I'm thinking. I'll clear out that row. Oh no, that was a bad idea. That was a terrible idea. Oh no.
1 to go.
Now she has a 1 to go. No, he has a 1 to go. And Saburo gonna pass on that. Alright, Tommy. Right, round number 3. Oh, I can get a row here if I win this mini game. All right. Well, here we go. Time for the luck hype. Well, they all wanted a 3, and I got a 5. So, too bad, suckers. And they all went for 3 again. Am I gonna make it? You might as well just do 5 again at this point. Ah, Saburo messed up a chance to have a perfect run. Hey, here we go again. Saburo! Stop picking the same one! Saburo! Stop picking 5! Tommy! I was about to have a perfect run. Yeah, let's go with 1, I guess. Ah! Should have gone with a 3, maybe? And now Saburo is gonna pass me if he wins this. Oh my god! Well, here we go. Miguel! Just let me win this minigame for once. You know what, I might just Screw it, I'll just go 5. No! Miguel! Alright. This will determine the winner, I think. Yes! We got it! We got it! But now I have to do a roll-off with Saburo, so this is... This could decide it all here. Oh, I got it! He got a 1, so that means I can't get a 1 as well, so I win! Alright. Here we go. We can, we'll take, Eva so that we can, do that. Alright, Saburo. Nope, he's gonna waste it. Right now, Tommy. Okay, that was... Oh, now he has a 1 to go as well. Alright, Miguel. Oh, he has a 1 to go as well. Oh boy. This is not looking good. Feather Frenzy. Let's go. Wonder if we can break another record. I know I keep teasing that I can break my 46 record. I don't think it's gonna happen.
Start.
But come on. Alright, 32, so still fair enough, I guess. But this map currently does not look favorable to us. Wild me! Alright, I'm gonna choose, okay, so I'll choose a, green, I guess. Let's take Hiromasa out. Alright, now we have a 1 to go. I need to get a green in order to win. This last one. Trade me. No! Oh my god! He won, of course. 5 points. Is that really gonna do anything? Game over. And of course, Saburo wins. I got last in that. Didn't even get a single set. Oh my god, that was disaster. That game was a disaster. Well, next time we'll be doing standard difficulty for Swap Meet. Hopefully the choices for Mii's are going to be more favorable when it comes to pairings. So we'll get it done then. Hopefully we can hopefully we don't get screwed up by unfair maps or unfair Mii choices for getting our 3x2, which we failed to get. So, well, it's a shame to be in last place, but we still have standard and a bunch more to go. So we'll do it then. We'll get a win hopefully in Swap Meet, although I don't know if it's gonna happen if I lose in beginner difficulty. Let's just face it. See you then. Take care.